Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with another ASC design team share, and this is the third album I've made with the Make a Splash collection. So album 1 I'll put up here. It was an 8x8 by 3-inch album. Album 2 was a 4x8 by 2-inch spine album, and album 3 is a 4x4 by 2-inch spine album. And this one is almost the last project. At the end I will show you the scraps. So head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or ASCCraftSupplies.com and get your pattern paper and all the craft supplies you need for your new projects, and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your total normal price purchase. And let's review this little album. This is a 4x4 again by 2-inch album, and is using the Graphic 45 Make a Splash collection. I also have these little glass beads that I have I bought at the Akron Stamp and Show. I used some of the stickers to embellish the front and back, and then the ephemera pieces. So the ephemera pieces I really liked in this collection because I did not want a fussy cut. This is one of the frames of the stickers, another piece of ephemera, and then I added a lot of stickers because this is wrapping up this collection and I wanted to use as much as possible. My intention was to make all the pages almost the same, except for the middle 2 pages, the same as the last album, but I had forgotten that I was putting this little band on here, so this is the only flap that has the band on the back that makes a pocket for these tags, but we have plenty of other tuck spots. Each one of the large pages has a belly band with a 3x3 booklet in it. And then I use the quilting technique on the back of each one of these pages. And there is a smaller pocket with a tag that is matted, another sticker, and then the backs of these, like I said, I forgot to put the little tuck spots, so they're all plain. I do have some of the smaller cut aparts in there, and another one of those tags. There's another quilted, and from here on out the pages are the same except for the middle page. The 2 pullouts, or the pullouts that I did do, are not matted on the back. But you can always add a picture there. There's another one of the cut aparts. And then we're getting to the middle pages here. So I'm going to just open it up. This is the first middle page, and this is the second middle page. So I'm going to start in the middle and go out. So I did a small flap here, and then another small flap on each side. There's that one, a small pocket with a fold out, and I made it so that you could see the tab sticker from while it's flat. And then when you open it up, it looks like that. This is a smaller one. This is like a 3 by maybe 2, and this is like 1.5 or almost 1.5. And then on the final page, or the back of that, is a pocket with a tag, and that's on both of them too, which is here. Okay, and then they both have a normal page with the quilted backs. And then we just go into the normal. Like I said with the last one, it's easier to make all the pages the same. I started running out of paper that was big enough, so we just made some compromises as far as the quilting goes, and as far as the middle pages go, I just had to keep making flaps that were smaller than my smallest piece of paper. Okay, belly band, same. Oh, these are all the same. They're just 3x3s. They're 6x3s folded in half, not matted. And then quilted, and then on the back I used another one of the stickers. Okay, so that is the Make a Splash 4x4 by 2-inch album. Again, the third album I made. I do plan on making just maybe a couple more small projects or some cards. And now I will show you the scraps, but if you don't want to hang out for that, head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or ASCCraftSupplies.com and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. So this is what I started with. I started with the Graphic 45 Make a Splash collection. This is the ephemera. I had the 8x8 collection pack, which comes with 3 each of the papers. I have the 12 by 12 collection pack, which comes with 2 each of the papers, and the stickers, or I'm sorry, this is the 12 by 12 collection pack. This is the 12 by 12 patterns and solids, so, but still 16 each, 2 each of the pattern papers for this one, and 2 each of the pattern and solid papers for that one. So that's what I started with. And then what I have left out of from the 3 albums I've made, I have, I'm gonna say maybe half or a third of the stickers. I have a lot of cut aparts. Now I don't think they have the journaling cards anymore. And I stopped getting those because there was so many cut aparts. So I did cut apart I cut apart at least 1 each of the cut apart papers. And of course these big ones would have only fit in the large album, so I have those left over. I may tuck a couple more of these in the 4x8 album. These are the 3x4-ish cut aparts. And then the small 2x3 cut aparts. I didn't add these to the album because these were duplicates. And then the ephemera pack, I have these left, and then this was one of the border strips, but the rest of it came, this border strip and some cut parts, but the rest of it came from the ephemera pack. So I do still have some of the ephemera pack left here, just some cut aparts there. So I have enough to make another project. I'm going to put the journaling cards in there. That's why they were all mixed up. I have them together. I did not throw away anything. These are my smaller scraps. I don't think anything here is, I think this is the biggest piece, and it's like 1.5 by maybe 2. And then there's the rest of it, but I think that I can use these in some quilting, so I kept those aside. My next smallest are these little squares. That's all I have of anything square and sizable. My next biggest are these, I want to say like maybe bookmark size scraps. We should be able to figure out something to do with those. And a little bit shorter, I have these guys, which are perfect for the quilting. And then my longer scraps are these. So that is all I have left of the collection. I got so much out of it, you guys. So just one collection goes a really far way as far as making some stuff. So I intend to finish this off, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.